Hey, it's Tom here with a quick tip on PM compliance. One of the principles of being a fleet partner is to achieve 90% PM compliance or more. If you have a fleet of 10 trucks, 9 of the 10 have had their preventive maintenance done within the scheduled period, and only 1 is overdue. And why is that important? Well, number one, preventive maintenance is much more than just an oil change. It's an inspection, it's greasing, it's making sure that when the truck goes out, it's safe, reliable, your drivers aren't going to have any issues. The other important part of PMing your trucks on time is that if you're late just 30 days every time you get a PM, over the course of 5 years, you're going to miss an entire year's worth of PMs. And imagine running a truck with no oil changes, no grease, no inspections for an entire year. It's going to lead to problems and downtime and higher expenses. So if you'd like to learn more, please go to Wiers.com.